Hey everyone, welcome back to Authentic Traditional Chinese Medicine. Today, we're talking about something really important, how to prevent dementia. And trust me, this affects so many families out there. So let me share two really interesting findings from recent medical research. First thing, and this is huge, about 45% of dementia cases, they can actually be prevented or at least delayed. Yeah, really. How? Well, by managing things like your blood pressure, your cholesterol levels, blood sugar, keeping a healthy weight, quitting smoking, staying active, getting good sleep, staying social, and here's the big one, taking care of your hearing and vision. Do these things right, and you can really slow down cognitive decline. Second thing, this one's about hearing aids. If you're older and at higher risk, here's what the research shows. Once you start losing your hearing, getting hearing aids and actually using them properly can slow down cognitive decline by almost 48% in about 3 years. That's pretty amazing, right? So here's my advice. If you're over 70, get your hearing checked regularly. Notice any hearing loss? Don't put it off. Get those hearing aids. Same goes for your eyes. Got presbyopia, cataracts? Get them fixed. All of this helps keep your brain sharp. What Chinese medicine says. Now let's look at this from a traditional Chinese medicine angle. It's pretty fascinating actually. In Chinese medicine, dementia is all about the brain, but it's most connected to your kidneys. Now, before you go, wait, kidneys? In Chinese medicine, kidneys mean something different. The brain is called the sea of marrow, and your kidneys? They're what creates that marrow and connects to your brain. When your kidney essence is strong, your brain stays healthy and your mind stays clear. Chinese medicine also talks about 5 major organ systems. Your liver stores blood and keeps energy flowing smoothly. Your spleen creates your qi and blood. It's like your energy factory. And your heart? That's where your spirit lives, where your thinking happens. So when we look at cognitive decline in older adults, it's not just the kidneys. Your heart, liver, and spleen are all involved too. The way Chinese medicine sees it, elderly dementia is basically this. You've got deficiency at the root and excess on top. The deficiency? That's weak kidney essence and not enough qi and blood. The excess? That's usually phlegm and stagnant blood building up. So what do? We focus on strengthening the kidneys and nourishing that essence. At the same time, we help your liver energy flow better, support your spleen, and clear out dampness. Easy recipes you can try, alright. Let me give you some simple recipes you can actually use at home. Recipe number 1, Walnut and Black Sesame Paste. This one nourishes your essence and helps your brain. You'll need about 10 to 15 grams of walnuts, 10 grams of black sesame seeds, and a little bit of black rice flour. Just grind it all up into a powder and mix it with hot milk or soy milk. Have this once a day. Recipe number 2, yam, lotus seed, and millet porridge. This strengthens your spleen and nourishes your heart. Get 30 grams of Chinese yam, 15 grams of lotus seeds. Make sure you take out the cores. And 40 grams of millet. Cook it slow and low into a nice porridge. If you tend to get constipated, throw in some black sesame at the end. Recipe number 3, Tangerine Peel, also known as Chen Pi, Hawthorn, and Rose Tea. This one gets your qi moving and helps circulation. Take 3 grams of tangerine peel and 6 grams of hawthorn. Boil them in water, then add 3 to 5 rosebuds. Drink a little bit after meals, but heads up. Skip this one if you have too much stomach acid or if you're taking blood thinners. Head massage points. Okay, now let's talk about some pressure points on your head that really help with brain function. You can do these every day. They're super easy. First, there's Bai Hui. That's right at the top of your head, dead center. Then you've got 4 points called Sishin Kong. They're about a thumb's width in front, behind, and on both sides of that top point. Next is Feng Ji. Find those little hollows on both sides of your neck, right at the base of your skull where your hairline is. And finally, Yin Tang. That's right between your eyebrows. How do you do it? Just use your fingertips and press gently in circles, or tap lightly with your knuckles for about 30 seconds on each point. This clears your mind, helps your memory, and wakes up your brain. Let's wrap this up. All right, let's pull it all together. Step 1, get the basics right. Keep tabs on your hearing, your vision, your blood pressure, and your cholesterol. That's your foundation right there. Step 2, use Chinese medicine principles. Strengthen those kidneys, nourish your essence, boost your wisdom. Pick whichever food recipe works for you and stick with it. Step 3, don't forget those head points. Massage them once or twice every day. It really does help maintain your cognitive function and can prevent or delay dementia. Look, preventing dementia takes consistency. It's not a one-time thing. It's something you commit to for the long haul. Please share this with your parents, your grandparents, anyone you care about who's getting older. Starting these habits today can make a huge difference in keeping their independence, their memories, and their quality of life for years to come. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of that brain of yours, and I'll see you in the next video.